नमस्ते और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. In today's video, I will be talking about something that I read, that I'm currently reading. So I will be recommending you all the book I'm reading, but this part of the book is very interesting and it gives you the science behind why we act childish, why we act immaturely, or why don't we know how to handle our emotions at times. So let us get into the video. So first, let us begin with what is emotional maturity. Like, emotional maturity is something that we have to learn. There should be a want that, I want to be emotionally mature. Then you can begin the journey of emotional maturity. And that is, emotional maturity, in my words, is nothing but expressing your emotions in a healthy way. You are just letting out your emotions, but that is not stopping the other person from feeling anything or telling you what they want. You're ready to take what they are giving you or whatever their reaction is. So that is emotional maturity according to me. And according to me, we as adults are lacking it. Like in India, I see, I'm experiencing it. I think we all are experiencing it. Like whenever we have a fight, we use this passive aggressive behavior, we use this cold war. We don't say what we are feeling, but we just, stop talking. That is very childish. If you look at, like, what are we doing? We are just not expressing, but we are just like giving silent treatment, or expecting the other person to understand what we are going through even without talking. That is like impossible, humanly impossible. So why do we behave like this? Why do we give silent treatment when words are needed? Why do we go, we are like passive aggressive when we have to express our emotions? Why? So I was reading this book and it gave me the answer to this why. Basically, we all have seen this. Like, for example, a child wants a toy, okay, and he's crying and all. He starts crying. So what do the parents do? They slap him, or they scold him. Okay, you just can't cry. You just shut up now. You don't cry. And they stop the child from expressing his or her emotions. From that stage, we stop, we stop expressing our emotions. Like the parents stop us. Like, that is very small, but it leaves a great impact on how you process your emotions. Like, when the child is stopped from crying, he or she is learning how to suppress their emotions, and that is not okay. That is not okay, and that is not healthy. When you grow as an adult, that is when you act in a childish way, because in childhood you never learned how to process your emotions. So that is why I think parents need to learn how to let their children cry. Like, if your child wants to cry, just let them, because that is how they learn how to process emotions and how to be communicative of what they're feeling and what they want. That is one thing that I read in that book, and I was like, oh my god, there is a lot of science behind why we all are acting immature. And we all act like an 8-year-old. Like, we at heart, we are like 8-year-old. We give out those tantrums, and like, we do all those things, but this communication thing is lacking. So for us to develop that, we really need to, want that emotional maturity and learn how to communicate. One way of, just telling people is just telling them that you're feeling this. It will be hard in the beginning, but as you go on, it will be easy. And when you become parents, if you are now like unmarried and you're like studying or whatever, and if you're parents now, or if you have child, then if you have a child, then just let your children cry when they want to. Let your children tell you what they feel whenever they feel. That will really change the way they see their life in future. Most people act like an 8-year-old when things don't go the way they wanted to, or they don't get what they want. That is really very sad, because we, like, 45-year-old acting like an 8-year. We don't expect that, right? We expect the behavior of a 45-year-old, but it is not happening. Why? Because we were never emotionally mature. We were never taught how to be emotionally mature. But we can take things in our own hands now. we as adults can do things, practice expressing emotions, and just try to be at least emotionally available for people or emotionally mature for people, because I think everyone is going through something or the other. You just can't be having your own tantrums and living in your own world. You also need to consider what others are going through. And also, if you are emotionally immature in life, you will not have that good relations also, because if you're not expressing what you're feeling, then the person with whom you are, how will they know what you're going through? How will you be available for them if you are not able to express? That is where emotional maturity comes in, and you really really need to try if you want to have a better social life. Once you start practicing these things, once you start expressing your emotions, you begin to reply or react to others with compassion. You see their perspective and then analyze and set boundaries. It will help you in ways you can't even imagine, because communication is the key, and it will really teach you how to communicate your emotions and also take in consideration other people's emotions and answer accordingly. So this is really really very important. I never knew there was a lot of science behind this, and letting your child cry can make them emotionally mature. So that is one thing. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm really sorry for not posting videos for such a long period. I was very busy, but I'm back, and I'm back with more great things. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it. Bye. See you in the next video.